Chicken filo pastries today. Fry off some shallots, bit of goudic, almost ready for the chicken. Capsicum, take all the skin off. Chuck in some basil, spinach, some pistachios. Here we go. Now we're just going to put our mixture in and we're going to roll up little cigars as tight as I can get it. All good. Me cigars. Just give these a butter. Chuck these in the oven, folks. 175 for about 15 or 20 minutes. Some of my roasted capsicum, shallots, garlic, and I'm just going to make a bit of a reduction. Salt, pepper. I'll put some paprika in. So I'm going to attempt to blitz this up in the spice grinder. Smooth. Basil. Lemon juice. Olive oil. Got a little bit of herb oil. Chicken cigars are ready. Pistachio and paprika. Garlic maple. I'm going to dip the end in the garlic maple. And now I'm going to roll it in the pistachio. And I'm just going to tap it into, I don't know, just so I've got a bit of colour happening. I've just got a bit of spirulina. Put some there, give it a splat. Herb oil. Just going to make a little salad. Zucchini, corn, the little cigars. Little salad. And just some sauces there. Delicious. God bless. Ciao, ciao, ciao.